This is Lauren Schaller, and I'm going to show you the periscope that I made. So first, we asked our question. We know we want to see something that's higher than our eye. I did some research and found some interesting things. Didn't find much made out of K'NEX though, which is something I like to build with. Then I imagined some solutions by drawing some, I brainstormed and drew some sketches out of some of the materials I knew I could build the periscope out of. Got a milk carton, bricks are on the right, they're kind of like Legos, paper towel tube, used CDs. And then I evaluated the things that I had brainstormed. The positive things are in the green. You can see that some things are faster to make, some things are customizable, and then the negative things are in red. Are they the things flimsy? Are they heavy? Do they take too long? So I wanted to go with the paper towel tube, the milk carton, and then the K'NEX as a last choice. So I started out with the paper towel tube. I used K'NEX as like a protractor because I didn't have my own. And you can see that it got a little too flimsy when I tried to put the CD into it. So I had to cycle back, and I picked the milk carton this time, and I used some math, some geometry here and angles in order to cut up my milk carton to get a supporting flap inside that would hold the mirror when I put the periscope together. And then the CD is wedged in there, and I cut it out a little bit so it's actually in there nice and snug. And then I made two, so now I have an extra tall periscope, and then the pieces are going to stack on top of each other, and I'm going to tape them together in a second. And this is my first prototype, and they are taped together functionally. So I'm going to wave my hand at the top, and you can see it a little bit, but it doesn't work really well, so it really needed to be improved. And I know you just had a second to glance at that. So I found some mirrors lying around the house, and I was able to attach them, and the CDs actually provided a good support. And so now with actual mirrors, it works a lot better. And you can see that when I stand up, you can see my face. And it's really fun for peeking around corners as well. And those are my references. Thank you.